Algerian baking is a blend of Mediterranean, Berber, Arab, and French influences, resulting in flavors and textures that are uniquely its own. In Algerian culture, baking is more than just food preparation. It's a cherished ritual, especially during family gatherings and religious festivities. The tradition of communal baking, where neighbors bring their dough to the village oven, still thrives in rural areas, fostering a strong sense of community. Among the countless baked treats, 3 dishes stand out as true icons. First, Hobbs Edar, or homemade semolina bread, boasts a golden crust and soft crumb, often enriched with olive oil and sesame seeds. It's a must-have at every meal, perfect for scooping up tagines or dipping in olive oil. Second, Mahajeb are thin, stuffed semolina flatbreads filled with a savory mixture of onions, tomatoes, and spices, then cooked on a hot griddle. They're a street food favorite across Algeria. Third, Makroud is a sweet semolina pastry filled with dates and scented with orange blossom water, then fried or baked and dipped in honey. Each bite reflects Algeria's rich culinary tapestry,